Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Our presentation involves 21 slides, where 9 of them contain audio. Omega denotes the first infinite ordinal number, i.e. the smallest ordinal number which is greater than all natural numbers. ZFC is an axiomatic system that was proposed in the early 20th century in order to formulate a theory of sets free of paradoxes such as Russell's paradox. The elementary language of ZFC has only set variables and a single binary predicate which denotes the membership relation. Logicism is a program in the philosophy of mathematics. It is mainly characterized by the contention that mathematics can be reduced to logic, provided that the latter includes set theory. Logicism is based on the observation that the axioms of ZFC imply the existence of a set theoretic universe so rich that almost all mathematical objects can be constructed as sets. Constructively defined algorithms and constructively defined integers lead our attention to constructive mathematics and mathematical intuitionism. Constructive mathematics is distinguished from its traditional counterpart, classical mathematics, by the strict interpretation of the phrase "there exists as we can construct." In order to work constructively, we need to reinterpret not only the existential quantifier but all the logical connectives and quantifiers as instructions on how to construct a proof of the statement involving these logical expressions. For example, intuitionists allow the use of the law of excluded middle when it is confined to discourse over finite sets, but not when it is used in discourse over infinite sets, for example the natural numbers. The basic philosophical idea of intuitionism is that mathematical entities exist only as mental constructions and that the notion of truth of a proposition should be equated with its verification or the existence of proof. However, different intuitionists explain the existence of a proof in fundamentally different ways. There seem to be two main alternatives, the actual and potential existence of a proof. The second proposal is also understood in two alternative ways, as knowledge of a method of construction of a proof or as knowledge-independent and tenseless existence of a proof. The n² plus 1 conjecture is believed to be of the same depth as the twin prime conjecture. The theorems of the article will hold forever, whereas the statements are refutable. The subject of the article belongs to mathematical logic and computer science. I clarify it using analogy. In computer science, one-way function is a function which is practically infeasible to invert. Of course, such a claim about a concrete function cannot be formalized in ZFC because the set of practically infeasible functions changes in time. The presented number theoretic theorems have elementary proofs. Some of these proofs are based on Wilson's theorem. Number theoretic results of the article were contained in the article rejected by the New York Journal of Mathematics. Please read the review. Thank you for attention.